G'day! In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the WL-V6 using mainly the P8000 component of it to copy the firmware off your older iPhone. Essentially, in this one I'm using an XS Max, but you can use it virtually any model. And I'll be going over to this one here. So to begin with, it's pretty straightforward actually, which is very handy. You can choose to connect it to the computer. I'm not in this instance, as I don't really need to record that information. So from here, I'm going to connect up the Max. I'm using the bottom of the two flex cables. That should snap onto there. So that's now attached. Once you're attached, switch this on. It should auto detect that a screen is connected. From there we've got to press check, then read. There we go. So it's saved to the buffer of the device. So from here we should be able to disconnect that screen, connect up your replacement, and from there we go check once more, and buffer data can be written, go right. We play the waiting game as it's writing the firmware. Successful. So from here I'm happy with that. I'm going to switch it off. This should in theory clear the buffer, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Switch it back on. I want to go check, and now I want to go read. Bam! I've now successfully copied various information, touch information, LCM, and coverboard information from this onto my aftermarket display. So that should not, in theory, this should fix that error typically when you turn on the phone and it comes up on some of the newer ones with the newer versions of iOS, that it says aftermarket screen connected, and it gives you that constant nag screen. If you still have access to your older display, so like this, you should be able to use a tool like this to transfer it to your replacement display, and from there you shouldn't have any issues. Anyway, that's all for today, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.